Hi guys, and welcome back to a coffee chat. I'm Dr. Boomer Brown with Doing Good at Work. Well, we're continuing our discussion around these 5 areas of our lives: the physical area, mental area, emotional, social, and the spiritual area of our lives. These are important areas to be mindful of what's happening in each one of these areas every day. And each month, we're taking a look at one of these areas. This will be our 4th time through the cycle of the 5. And today, we're talking about the physical area. So far, we've talked about things like your rest and sleep. We've talked about weight. We talked about exercise. But today, we're talking about something that affects your physical area greatly. It's water and your water consumption. You know, your body is made up somewhere around 50 to 70% of water. And every day, through the natural processes, water goes in and water comes out. Water is very, very important to every area of your life. Every cell, every organ, everything in you needs water. You know, the question is, how much water does it need? Well, before we answer that question, why is water so important? Well, water helps remove all the waste from your body, whether that's cellular waste, that's urination, that's perspiration, that's all these things that happen inside you every day that remove waste from your body. Water is important to that process. It's also important because it keeps your joints lubricated. It helps with your skin and those kinds of things. There's so many things that are connected to water, making sure that you're hydrated and that you have enough every day. Well, here's what we know. Depending on the climate you're in, the exercise patterns, how much you perspire, all those type things, that may change how much water that you actually need to consume every day. But the Mayo Clinic and several other people suggest that for a male, average weight, average size, in an average climate every day, that he probably needs to take in somewhere around 15 cups of water. For a lady, that's about 13 cups of water. That may sound like a lot. And some people may have told you, or you may have heard, that you need to drink 8 glasses a day. Well, that may be a good number. That may help you know your target. Some get those large quart-sized looking containers and they drink 1 or 2 of those every day. You don't really have to worry that much about over drinking water. But the cool thing is this: if you will drink your water, the amounts that they recommend every day, somewhere around 15 to 13 cups, then you're probably getting the type of water consumption that you need. Now, if you are exercising more, if the weather is hotter, which is starting to get that way here in North Carolina, if you are perspiring more and you're outside in the heat, then you definitely need to drink more water every day. Be mindful of that. Water is very, very important. If you don't get enough water consumption, you know, your skin may not be bouncing back. Some people said that you can press your finger onto your skin, and if it pops back pretty quickly, you're probably hydrated enough. If it leaves kind of indention and slowly coming back, then you may need to check your hydration levels. You can also check the color of your urine. If it is yellow and you've not been taking a lot of vitamins or eating a lot of yellow vegetables and those types of things, that usually is an indicator that you don't have enough water. What happens if you have enough water? Your urine is diluted and the waste matter is not as easily seen. But when high yellow colors happen in the urine, what you're seeing is less water and you're seeing more waste. So drink more water. Well, we want you to take care of yourself, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, social, or spiritual. That's why Doing Good at Work exists. That's why your employer invites you into your company, because we're here to help you, not only with these types of things, but also mental health type things. Remember, inside the document that you receive each week, there is a link where you can check out lots of different resources, over 70 different resources that might address a topic that's on your mind. You can do this in the privacy of your home. You don't have to tell anyone. We do not share any information with your employer. If you want a free resource, all you have to do is click on the button, check out the resources, send us an email, and we'll send it to you. All right, thanks for checking out this week's Coffee Chat. And as always, look forward to seeing you next week on A Coffee Chat.